What's up YouTube, it's me Salty Pro Bro, and today I'm just here on my bed. Hi Dad! And today I'm just preparing for a hiking trip. And then we go to where we're going, hiking trip. So yeah, go. Until then, if you want to click in the link, the first link below, please go follow my Instagram and in the second link below, please follow my second channel. And I'll see you guys later. Right now I'm just here preparing for breakfast. Hello kitchen cook. You again. I'm sorry. Let me just get myself some breakfast. Hey, look at this cute kitty cat. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna name him Scruffy. That's a I know that's a dog. Finally reached the place. It is called Institute of Primitive Research. Guys, here we go. Finally starting the trip. Man, this is awesome. My fault, I know. If the iPod gets lost, my fault. Dang, guys, look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Wow.
You guys will fall.
Don't say that.
Why?
Because then they will fall.
See, I dreamt.
That.
We went to school and then we don't.
Sorry, I'm stammering. Alula to Alula Trail. Wow. Well, I guess we're not going on the trail, but wow.
Let's go to the nature.
You cannot say this is not beautiful. We're on the trail now. What a steep hill. To the waterfall. Okay, let's go. No littering. Okay, let's have our picnic. Guys, check this out. Man, it's so cool. What's this? Such a big structure. The crowned eagle hide along Ololua Forest. Wow, this is awesome.
I know, so awesome.
I know, right? The mysterious building was told by me by the cousin. And that way is to the forest. Yeah, what was the question?
Mabuyu. This is called Mabuyu.
Okay, so another question. What is Babuyu?
Answer the question. What is Mabuyu?
Am I answer you the question? Mabuyu is
Yeah,
Mabuyu.
that does not help. Do you eat it? Do you chew it? Do you throw it?
Mabuyu is an African fruit. It's called you get it from a baobab tree. So like
Okay.
the seeds are like dyed with the natural food dye
Okay,
with some sugar,
okay.
and then it's preserved, and then that's how we eat it. It's very nice. It's a tasty snack.
Oh,
Like when you go for hiking, like we're doing now.
okay.
That's what you carry along, and then you have fun. Then with the seeds, there's that seed that remains, you can hit your friend with it. So that's the whole fun part.
Huh.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, can you please continue with the trip?
You're waiting for your brother.
Okay, let's wait. 5 hours of freaking waiting. We finally start the hike.
I just believe it, don't worry.
How? Guys, so we're fine. I feel like an adventurer. Wow. What's going on there? I don't really care. Here we have the camping site. As we continue down this trail that leads us to, I don't know. Whoa, this is a good place. It's so dark though. Okay, so going back then.
You don't put a wingman work. Don't leave your person.
Wow, this is there's a river there. This is beautiful.
Joshua, let's go.
Okay. Onward! Look at this place. It's so beautiful.
Climb there.
Climb.
Okay. Hop. Hey.
Up. There you
Wow.
I need to look at it.
We don't have any. Yes, there's the river. Wow. So beautiful. I wish you guys were here.
go. Have you ever been here? Have you ever been here?
Yeah. I know.
then?
I've never been here. I think the place I was a different forest.
What? What?
I think the place where I was a different forest. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, this is a very, very rickety. Hurry up, they're just stairs. You've done this before. Okay, one stair is missing. I'm scared as well now. Oh God, oof. Gotta catch up. Oh look, nice river. Place to rest, finally. Finally, there's somewhere to rest where I've been walking. Whew. What's that? Oh, what's this?
River.
Oh, river. Because we were told to follow our partners went this way, so now we're going this way. Wow, look at this. Look at the perfect view. Wow. Beautiful.
One person.
Fine, I'm now using my stick. I feel old. Yeah. I'm coming, brother. Not more stairs. These things are not stable. Finally, no more stairs. And I even lost my stick in that. Okay, now to the waterfalls. Oh no, the waterfall! Oh my gosh, finally! Wait, what's this? I know, but there it is! The waterfall! Let's go, oh my gosh! Finally, the waterfall! I've been waiting for this so much! It looks like it's control, but so fun! Oh my gosh! Wow, look at this! So wide! Wow! Oh wow! Hey! That's it for the nature walk. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and peace out.